Hello everyone, welcome back to Slick and Natty. Today's episode is about Diwali decoration ideas, and we've created this look for you using only two plastic bottles. So let's start with the tutorial. Take a bottle of 1 liter capacity or more. I have here taken a 3 liters bottle. Now we have to separate the top portion of the bottle. For this, take a blade and make an incision. Now insert a pair of scissors into that incision and start cutting along the circumference of the bottle. Now take the top portion and start making vertical slits into it. Not all the way till the cap, but till a little distance away from the cap. Make these slits all along the circumference. Now start pulling each of these slits outwards so that you get a structure like this. Now start making semicircles along the edge of each of the slits and start cutting along these semicircles. And you will get a structure which looks like a flower. Now take some glue, pour it into a bowl and start applying it on each of the petals with the help of a brush. Now take some powder glitter of any color of your choice and spread it onto a plate. Now invert the flower and press it onto the glitter so that the glitter gets stuck to the flower. Now apply some glue onto the center part of the flower and sprinkle some glitters onto it. Your candle holder is now ready. You can now either glue a candle in the middle like this, or you can put a diya in the center like this. So now coming to the second part of the look, we'll be making a vase with the leftover lower part of the bottle. So don't throw away that part. Now I'm cutting the lower part a bit so that the vase is not very tall. After cutting, I'm just smoothing the edges with a pair of scissors. Now start making vertical slits all along the circumference of the bottle 1 cm away from each other. These slits will not go all the way till the bottom but will stop somewhere in the middle like this. You will get a structure which looks like this. Now start pulling each of these strips outwards. Now invert the bottle and press it against the surface once. Now comes the most important part. You have to start weaving the strips. So take any of the strips and weave the tip of the strip over the next one and under the next two. Fold and crease it so that the tip is at the place shown by the arrow in this picture. So I'll repeat it again. Weave it over the next strip and under the next two strips. We'll be providing these pictures on our Facebook page for your reference. Fold and crease the next strip in the same way, but weave this one over the next two strips and under one strip. So again, for the first strip it was over next strip and under the next two strips, while for this one it is over the next two strips and under one strip. Fold and weave the third strip in the same way as the first one and keep repeating this alternate pattern all along the circumference. Continue around in this pattern until the last three and tuck each one of the last three strips under the next one. And you will get a beautiful vase which looks exactly like a glass vase. And now coming to the final look, I used two bottles, one green and one transparent. I made one candle holder and one vase out of each of the bottles. I kept the vases of different heights so that they look nice placed next to each other. I filled the vases with water and put floating diya and some flower petals and leaves inside the vases. We hope that you like this look created with just two plastic bottles and you will be recreating it at your houses. Do share the pictures with us on our Instagram page, which is Slick and Natty, with the hashtag Diwali with Slick and Natty. This was the first part of our Diwali decoration series. We'll be coming up with more parts very soon in the coming days, so do subscribe to our channel. so that you can be notified when we release those videos. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Diwali to all from Slick and Natty. Do share this video with your friends, and if you like it, do give it a thumbs up. See you guys next time.